Every programmer searches for that one element, that one piece of knowledge that sets them apart from the rest. There's a secret in the Python world, a single concept so powerful it revolutionizes the way you'll write and think about your code. It's a tool used by the elite developers to write more efficient, cleaner, and more Pythonic code. Today, the veil is lifted. Now, before we reveal what that concept is, if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. With that out of the way, let's hop right into it. The concept we're talking about are decorators. Understanding decorators is a rite of passage in the journey of Python mastery. They're not just an academic concept, but a potent tool for Python. First, let's understand what a decorator is. It's a function that wraps another function or method, allowing you to add functionality before and after the original function runs, without changing its code. Let's see an example. In the above code, simple decorator is our decorator. We define it with a nested function named wrapper. This wrapper function is where the additional functionality is added. It prints functions before and after calling the sayHello function. The @simpleDecorator syntax is syntactic sugar, a Pythonic way to apply a decorator to a function. When sayHello is invoked for here, it's passed to simpleDecorator, which returns the wrapper function. This transforms sayHello into a decorated version of itself with the added print statements. Let's go ahead and run this. Now, let's take a look at a more practical example. Suppose we want to time how long a function takes to run. We can write a decorator that does just that. So the first thing we're going to do is import our time. Then we're going to write the actual function for timing the decorator. Then we're going to add our args and quarks. I'm interested in all of this. Then we could go ahead and copy this. Right, so in this block, we're importing the time module to use its time function, which returns the current time. Let's go ahead and run this real quick. Our timing decorator takes a function, wraps it with timing logic, and returns the wrapper function. Inside wrapper, we record the start time, call the original function, record the end time, and then print the elapsed time. The args and quarks in the wrapper definition allow it to accept any number of positional and keyboard arguments, making our decorator applicable to any function. Decorators are incredibly versatile. They're used extensively in web frameworks like Flask and Django for routing URLs to functions, in data science libraries to cache computational results, and in authentication systems to check user permissions. They exemplify the beauty and power of Python. They enable the extension of function behavior without modifying their internal code, adhering to the open-close principle. Now, with decorators, you can write cleaner, more readable, and more maintainable code. Embrace them, and you'll find countless uses in your coding project. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below and subscribe for more. We'll catch you in the next one.